After watching this video, you will be able to put your KeyMaster together. There are 3 different shapes available: the oval shape, the edged shape, and the classic shape. The oval shape can be built together symmetrically and asymmetrically. The edged shape and the classic shape have to get connected asymmetrically. In this video, you will be shown the procedure of building together the KeyMaster in the classic shape. The right installation is essential to provide correct functionality of your KeyMaster. With a fall installation, the screws loosen themselves. In this scenario, we got 3 keys and a key loop. It is important that the blue marked faces are pointing outside. If the threads are pointing inside, the screw will slowly pull out the thread of the frame and the KeyMaster gets destroyed. At first, you check the length of the screw in the manual. In our case, we got 4 keys, so we need a length of 12 to 14 millimeters. Round and edged keys can be used. Now put the frame without the threads on top of the screws, just as you see it here. Now you take plastic shims and put 1 on each side. Put the first 2 keys in and put 2 plastic shims on top again. Attention! Make sure to put in the keys you use very often first. Keys you don't use that often should be more on the inside of the KeyMaster. Then you take the last key and the key loop and put them on top of the other keys. Check the height of the exposed screw thread. 1 or 2 windings have to be left if the nut is put on top of the carbon frame as shown. If you find one side being lower than the other one, just put as many metal shims on top of the lower side as needed to reach the same height. Take the nuts and tighten them onto the screws down to the measured level. Turn the other frame with the outside facing downwards. Then put the frame with the keys on top of it asymmetrically. Both rounded sides have to face each other as you can see it on the right side. Now take the Allen key and fasten the screws a little bit tighter than the keys should be in the end. Then you take the open end wrench and fasten the nut counterclockwise on both sides. Now the keys should be as versatile and flexible as you need it. The key loop can be added and your KeyMaster is ready for usage. If the keys aren't as flexible as you want them to be, there is a way to adjust the flexibility. For that, just take the open end wrench and open the counter nut clockwise for a maximum of a quarter turn on both sides. Now take the Allen key and fasten or loosen the screw as you need it. Then fasten the nuts again with the open end wrench. Repeat this procedure until you get the wanted flexibility. The KeyMaster is ready for usage now. Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website or get in touch with us.